So let's look at the science. So we've got this neurotransmitter called GABA. And GABA is not a band from Sweden. It's actually a neurotransmitter that works to inhibit your impulses in your brain. Slows things down, calms things down. It's like you get this GABA spray when your VLPLC names your emotion and accepts it. And it's just this rains down on your more activated limbic system and calms it down. It has a calming effect. So this is what's activated scientifically when you do this naming and accepting. So there's an actual effect on your brain that changes its whole disposition. So scientists have studied this thing, what they call emotional granularity. Yes, that's big words for, can you name a lot of emotion words? How's your emotional vocabulary? Can you answer what each one of these people are feeling by just looking at them? So these are all the tools that scientists have discovered that having this skill will definitely benefit you in becoming a more emotionally intelligent people. So we'll provide you with some resources where you can dig into more emotional words so you can expand your emotional vocabulary so you can become have more skills in doing this naming of emotions. So again, we've got our friend the VLPLC, which is that part of your brain right here. And this is the part that activates. So instead of being all subcortical and sort of autonomic, which is very reactive, like run away, danger, you're getting into the observing parts, and that's the part that gets engaged when you start naming something. It has to employ not your limbic emotional system, but the side of your brain, your temporal lobes that hold all of your language centers, and then it starts slowing things down and then releases all that GABA that we were talking about. So, it has this role not of just being an observer, but also a calmer when you get it involved. And you get your whole prefrontal cortex, the neocortex involved in like, what's going on down there in the emotional centers. It starts to take control and do different things to the rest of your brain. So you see how you've got like two different brains going on here. This one has to talk to this one and get it to sort of get its calm going on. So that's what's going on here with the VLPLC this time. So we're using this system to name our emotions and come to some sort of conclusion with who we are.